To send an email in DCDial, click Send Email from the main dashboard or the Quick Actions menu. Pick your contact right from the list, or add a new one. You can also click Show Page Contacts to pull from the current web page, or use the search function to locate the contact. Choose an existing email address, or add a new one. It'll be saved automatically for future use. You can apply an email template to pre-fill the subject and message, or write from scratch. Use dynamic fields like first name or last name to personalize the email. Click More to view all available dynamic fields. Instead of selecting a saved template, click the AI icon to quickly write or refine your email content. You can also adjust the language or tone by clicking the gear icon. And directly attach images, payment links, audio links, and files. And directly attach images, payment links, audio links, and files. Click Preview to review the message before sending. Then click Send, or click the arrow to schedule it for later. Scheduled emails are added to your to-do list and marked complete once sent. That's it for this demo. See you in the next video.